Want to know how to integrate your mail in Shortwave? So Shortwave is basically about email automation and how you can just simply make your mailing better, and which can be useful for your workspace and even for businesses. So I'm going to show you how you can integrate it. So integrating is like simply signing in through your Google. So what you need to do is I'm just going to show you by signing out first. So integrating is super simple. You need to just simply continue with Google. So since we want to integrate our Gmail, we needed this. So if you want any others like Outlook, you can just simply like that. But since we are going with Google, just simply integrate it Google. So you can just simply choose your account right here. I'm just going to choose it real quick. So once you've chosen an account, you should be signed into Shortwave easily and your email should be integrated like before, as you can see right here, and you're good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.